still too much on left. Okay, so here it's not only open left. I want you also from here go forward. This forward direction enough to be connect opponent come from front direction. Okay, so try it again. From here, move backward slightly. Follow with the turning, arms, rotate, open left toe. You remember, you also put weight to front leg. Where's your weight now? More in front leg. Good. Now from here, you continue shift weight forward, rotate left arm, change to grabbing. How you circle right arm? Not straight close in. Right arm, make round curved. Close in and stop. Don't move. Left arm how high? Body direction, a little bit open, more side. Check your left arm, no angle. Open. Open forward. Open forward. Now you have forward back, ward out right. Very good. Check your right arm, elbow, knee in the line. Toe direction straight. That's right. Very good. Next, roll back, repeat. Go. Sammy, you still use the wrist too much. Okay, 挤, press. You don't close enough. Go. Nancy, torso lean forward too much. That's perfect. If your torso lean forward, I want you more sink, relax your waist to balance back. Okay, that's right. And how about your head up? That's perfect. If you a little more up the torso. That's better. Okay, actually your knee bending a little more. That's perfect. That's perfect. Like this. Okay, found the feeling, okay? Next, and push. Don't lean your torso back. Remember, qi sinking down, keep qi sink. Push out. Good. Single whip. Repeat. Turn. Shoulder down. Stop wider and longer. Rotate. Stop also even enough. Okay, good. If right arm a little bit high, that's right. The hook position need your throat level. Okay, clap hands. Repeat. One. Don't stand up. No up and down. Keep in same level. Right? Neck. Keep your arm angled. Rotate. To do pulling open. That's right. And keep arm angled, rotate. Do not too straight, then rotate. Angled, rotate, and pulling. Rotate, rotate. That's right. Then open, open. Good. Rotate, rotate. Too late, too late, too late. Finish rotate before your arm really open because you give pulling on that time. Next, follow my call. High pat on horse. Move back weight. Rotate left arm. Sitting right palm. Don't move. Palm sitting first. Palm sitting. Are you open? That's right. Bend your forearm in. Don't move. Are you bend your forearm in? Connect with your back. Or you still raising. Connect with your back. And turn. Strike. Torso lean forward a little bit too much. Better. Head up. And check your palm centered of your body. And stop changing to both stance. Foot touching ground. Right arm pull back. Left arm thrust out. Don't move. Left palm, not diagonal. Left palm is facing up. Exactly facing up. That's right. And where is right palm? under left upper arm, not finger. It's a palm under left upper arm, which is your right arm, not like this angle, need rounded enough in front of your body. Your body cannot turn too far to the right, more facing to the front. Okay, so do it again. Relax a little bit. From single weight. Okay. Move back weight. Rotate left arm, sitting right palm. Are you right palm sitting? That's right. Open hook, sitting palm. Now pay attention. Don't circle your shoulder. Just bend your right forearm in. And after you bend in your forearm, you should feel more connected with your back. And pick up your front leg, foot touching ground, body turn, striking. Shift some weight to the front leg. Yeah, don't turn body too far. Don't hold in your breath. Keep chi, sink. Change footwork. Stop to both knees. And passing out, thrusting out. Under upper arm, back. That's right. Close. That's right. This one basically is straight, squared.